In the meantime, having played his last World Cup match for the West Indies, opening batsman Gayle says he's looking forward to at least one more appearance for the Caribbean side on Jamaican soil before calling time on his career, which has spanned 21 years. Gayle also commented on the team's below-par performance at this World Cup.
It's been a phenomenal career. I didn't announce any retirement, but they actually give me one game in Jamaica to go on, in front of my home crowd. Then I can say, hey guys, thank you so much. So, let's see. If not, I would announce it long time, and then, I will be joining DJ Bravo in the back end and say, thanks to each and every one. But I can't say that as yet.
The 42-year-old veteran also revealed that he has had to play this World Cup against the backdrop of his father falling ill. Gayle has scored 19,593 runs for the West Indies in international cricket, including 2 Test match triple hundreds. In addition to holding the record for most sixes and runs in all T20s, the Jamaican has notched 1,899 runs for the Caribbean side. That's in T20 international cricket, with 2 centuries, 14 50s and 124 sixes.